Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on your home screen in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you will receive an incoming call and you will see that incoming call not showing on your home screen, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to open your settings, scroll it down, and from here you will see the option of notifications. Scroll it down, and from here you need to find WhatsApp here. Open it, and if your notifications are disabled, then you need to make it enable, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to open your WhatsApp, click on settings, and from here you need to scroll it down, and here you will see notifications tab, and you have to turn on all the notifications from here. As you will see, turn on your messages notification, group notification, and all the reminders. And guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, simply you have to reset your notification settings, and now you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. And after this you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app, and after doing update you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, and click on iPhone storage, and after this open WhatsApp, and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.